Learn every day for a better life. Hello and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on how to write and self-publish an ebook. With the rise of digital publishing, it has become easier than ever to publish your own book and reach a global audience. In this tutorial, we'll take you through the entire process of writing and self-publishing an ebook, from the initial planning stages to marketing and promoting your finished book. Step 1. Planning and preparation. The first step in writing an ebook is to identify your topic or niche. This should be based on your own interests, expertise, or passion. Once you have a topic in mind, it's important to do some research to identify your target audience. This will help you tailor your writing style and content to meet their needs and expectations. Next, you should plan the structure of your ebook. This includes deciding on the number of chapters, the length of each chapter, and the overall flow of the book. It's also a good idea to create an outline to help you stay organized and focused throughout the writing process. In addition to planning your book's content, you should also consider your publishing goals. Do you want to publish your book exclusively as an ebook, or do you plan to also release a print edition? Will you be selling your book on a specific platform, such as Amazon, or will you use a distributor to reach multiple online retailers? Step 2. Writing and editing. Once you have a plan in place, it's time to start writing. Set aside regular time each day to work on your ebook, and try to stick to a consistent writing schedule to stay on track. As you write, don't worry too much about perfection. The most important thing is to get your ideas down on paper. Once you have a draft of your ebook, it's time to start editing. This involves checking for spelling and grammar errors, as well as ensuring that your content flows well and is easy to read. You may also want to consider hiring a professional editor to review your work and provide feedback. During the editing process, it's important to also consider the formatting and design of your ebook. This includes choosing a font, formatting your text, and adding images or graphics to enhance your content. Keep in mind that your ebook's formatting may vary depending on the platform you plan to publish on, so do some research on the specific formatting requirements of each platform. Step 3. Formatting and design. With the writing and editing process complete, it's time to format and design your ebook. This involves converting your manuscript into the appropriate ebook format, which can vary depending on the platform you plan to publish on. Common ebook formats include EPUB, MOBI, and PDF. In addition to formatting your text, you should also consider the design elements of your ebook. This includes selecting appropriate images or graphics, designing an eye-catching cover, and formatting headings and subheadings for easy navigation. Many ebook publishing platforms offer tools and templates to help with the formatting and design of your ebook. Step 4. Publishing and marketing. Once your ebook is complete and formatted, it's time to publish and promote it. There are many platforms available for self-publishing ebooks, including Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Smashwords, and Barnes & Noble Nook Press. Each platform has its own requirements and guidelines for publishing, so be sure to research and follow these guidelines carefully. In addition to publishing your ebook, it's also important to market and promote it effectively. This includes creating a website or blog to promote your ebook, using social media to reach potential readers, and offering free samples or promotions to generate interest. You may also want to consider reaching out to book bloggers or book review sites to request reviews of your book, as positive reviews can help boost sales and visibility. When it comes to pricing your ebook, you'll need to consider factors such as the length of your book, the competition in your genre, and your own publishing goals. Many self-published ebooks are priced between 99 cents and $4.99, but ultimately, the price will depend on your own goals and the value you believe your book provides to readers. It's important to also monitor your ebook sales and reviews, and make adjustments as needed. This may involve updating your book's description, changing your pricing strategy, or revising your marketing plan. Step 5. Building a following. Finally, building a following is an important aspect of self-publishing an ebook. This involves connecting with readers and building a community around your book. There are many ways to build a following, such as engaging with readers on social media, offering free content or resources related to your book, or hosting online events such as webinars or Q&A sessions. Another important aspect of building a following is building an email list. This involves collecting email addresses from readers who are interested in your book, and sending them regular updates and promotional content. This can be a powerful tool for driving sales and building a loyal fan base. In conclusion, self-publishing an ebook can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience for writers who are passionate about their work. By following these steps, you can create a professional quality ebook and reach a global audience with your writing. Remember to stay focused, be persistent, and keep learning and growing as a writer and publisher. Good luck on your publishing journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.